Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video, I'm going to be going over Webtalk. It's a social media platform that allows you to earn money while posting your content online. And it's sort of like Facebook and LinkedIn if they both had a baby. I just put it like that. And then, total members I have is over 400 total members. Some of them are not active, to be completely transparent with you. Some of them are, and that's how I'm getting these earnings from not only watching video clips, but from other people's activities as well too. And it has, as you can see, increased month over month from last month at the same time, increased over $7. Okay. Now I have activity rewards that has also increased from 21 cents to $6.71. Okay, and the activity points have increased as well too. So I'm getting a lot more with less effort. Okay, so as we participate more and more and be active on the platform, we'll get paid more and more month over month with doing a lot less, and depending how many referrals you get in. All right, so I'm gonna go over to my news feed right now. Okay, we're going to bring up our CEO, RJ Gobrowicz. All right, so we'll bring him up right now. We'll go to his timeline. And tomorrow we are having a huge event, a webinar that everyone's invited to. Okay, and he is expecting to announce a big announcement during the webinar tomorrow. Okay. So it says here right now we are working on something very big that will be announced. This was posted 6 days ago, next week, which is of course tomorrow, and we're just waiting on that for tomorrow. Okay, so it is going to be something huge because of one other thing that I want to mention, that he's going to be doing away with Google AdSense. That's how we're getting paid in the back office right now, and with that, we're being paid about, I would say, 17 cents for every action per member on Webtalk. And once he implements the Webtalk ads and other revenue provided by Webtalk from Webtalk, it's going to increase. He mentioned $17 per member. Okay, instead of 17 cents. So this is going to increase probably 10x to 100x. So just imagine what the first 20 days in the month, I already have either anywhere from $90 to $900. Okay, so this has a potential, just by doing little activity, to you get over $1,000 per month. Okay, just by posting on Webtalk and getting referrals. All right, so you don't want to miss that webinar. I will be posting it as well too on my channel. Now, if you are interested in joining Webtalk, go ahead and click on the link below. As part of my bonus, you will get a landing page and a 7-day follow-up series as well too, so you don't have to come up with the content yourself. All right. Thanks again for viewing my channel. Have a good one.